Welcome again, lovelies and friends, to yet another mix. And on the mix is Dwayne. And Dwayne came out for Donna, as he said he would have, because he has been off for a while now. And he said that he would come and address her. And Dwayne is speaking a lot of things. You know, he has a lot of things to say. He is upset about whatever may have transpired earlier, why he had to come out. So guys, go ahead and go catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post you know. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you prosperity, joy beyond your measure, and all your heart desires this year. And for all my other lovelies and friends, my supporters, followers, subscribers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a wonderful day today.
How did it come back to me? How did it come back to me? Was it her who sent it back? As she sent it back, come give me. You know what I don't like about you Jamaican people? On a love the fuckery and on a love tolerating bullshit. And because on the feast Donna is God, she is allowed to come out and tell lie on people. And people like me is meant to shut up and just suck it up. No. Me not run on a clout. But what she now do is it's like a big elephant fucking someone come on to come tell lies on me, and I'm meant to just sit and just say, okay, girl, talk, girl. The time you have out here ridiculing people, you want to join one gym. Donna, let me tell you something. You see, you should have no excuse for the way for how you look. You should have no excuse at all. Or you get to be, you're too damn greedy. Are people like me if I have excuse? People like me, because I'm a damn cripple. I'm stuck. You're not stuck. Why get so big like I'm friggin'? Why you got so big? Why is all, why do you look like a damn beach? Or why look like one big elephant? Is, you know why? Because you're near too much. Right? And here you are coming out here, feeling as if you can come out and tell on people, and people's going to come out and say about the 50 lies you told. But you damn wait, you wait. Now I'm settled. Now I'm flipping settled. I'm not going to more information. Just know that I am settled now. I'm settled more than I was before. Right? And anyone who don't like me, come and suck me out too. You hear me? Take your followers and fuck off. Take on the followers and go at your business. Me just know that no girl or boys are gonna come out here and tell lies on me. And me, I'm going to quote or put up and just accept that because I have 200 or 300 or 500,000 followers, I'm going to sit down and say nothing. Lies at all. Donna, I'm gonna speak. Donna, it's not my fault you're a thief. Donna, it's not my fault that you had to use charity to make a life for yourself. It's not my fault. It's not my fault you had to come out here and scam people to accumulate assets. It's not my fault. Donna, you see my mother? My mother is very successful. Very successful. And Donna, let me tell you something. You know anyone in your circle only cannot style me. You can't style me. Only can't. You hear me? For you to style me, you'd have to have education. Donna, you see, ask yourself why most of the pay are backs bread out to have mouth. It was because on the nose without social media only is nothing. Look how long I said, okay, man, I come by you. I could have come on here. I could have. But I said no. Social media is not my social media ain't paying me a dime the way you guys think. So why am I gonna come on here and be pala and box better? Donna, all of you can just fuck off. Including you, Donna. Don't come out to come tell no damn lies on me with your big stinky mouth. How dare you? How flipping dare you? Donna, have I ever come out and tell lies on you ever? Never. I've never come on social media and tell any lies on you. You know anything I said, anything I have said out of my mouth about you is the truth. Anything. I never told you to bring Kwame on your page and tell us glaucoma ate out his eyes. And you damn well know he could see. I never told you to do any of those things. You did those things by yourself. You did everything by yourself. It's because I was a damn fool to not see the signs that hello, this doesn't add up. That don't add up. But Donna, not because I see now, don't mean that you're gonna come out here and tell lies on me. You know, Donna, I'm so glad I reported you to the flipping of. I'm so glad I reported you to the damn authorities. Whether anything come out of it or come out of it, no, I don't give a shit. I did what I had to do. I did what I had to do. Right? And at least by me doing this, it makes me sleep good at night time, knowing damn well I did my part to stop a flipping scammer like you. Right? I don't care if any of your people, I don't care if any of your followers are. I don't care. I don't owe none of you no damn obligation. And Don, let me tell you something. You know, I'm gonna play your video word for word and respond to you because you feel like because you've turned into this big prehistoric dinosaur. You think you are Donny, you're nobody. You are nobody to me. Nobody when I'm big stinky ass thief, a scammer, a flipping kleptomaniac. That is all I see you as. I will never see you as anything else again in my life. Never. You hear me, big back elephant over there? You hear me, prehistoric dinosaur over there? You hear me, beach whale? I will never see you as nothing else more than a damn kleptomaniac. You hear me? I hope you hear me very well too, Donegal. I will never see you as anything else more than a damn kleptomaniac. And you damn know you came out here, you scammed us. And living big life. And now you realize you're popped down. You're fucking popped down. Accept it for what it is. And keep it pushing with your big back self. How dare you? Lady, don't piss me off. Because you know what's I'll class you. However, I'm trying my best to not tell you some really distasteful, horrible, nasty things. Me know want people come out here and bow down to this big back bitch. I will never bow down to her. Never. Her name is not Maureen. You hear me? And I don't have to rate her either. And shit, I will never rate her again. Never. Donna, do you hear me? I will never rate you again. I hope you're hearing me. Big up to my mother. My mother raised upstanding citizens of the world. The time I will tell you only want to be harassing people. You and your big back daughters only want to join one damn gym. Go and join the gym. None of you have no damn excuses. Go and join the flipping gym and leave me alone. And don't come out to come tell no damn lies on me ever again. Because I have never in my life told lies on you. Never. And none of you only can say I've come on and tell lies on you either. Wanna see that over there, such person over there. It bust out that anything I've said in the past about them was so. Even if I came out here and I retracted the things I said, so I don't want problems. So I said, okay, let me just retract. Only hear other people come talk though. Only hear other people come talk though. I would never come on here and tell basic lies on people. For what reason? What? My damn volume probably gone now to backside. Is my volume gone? Listen, we're going to go to YouTube. We're going to go to YouTube. If my volume is gone, we're going to YouTube. We're not today, tomorrow. Is my volume gone? Is my volume gone? I'm still waiting for my Wi-Fi as well. That bitch is a liar. She called me many times. So I'm gonna call Dwayne. I'm gonna call Dwayne. Is it a lie? Go back and find our old videos. Go back and find our old videos for yourselves. And listen to the word she used in those videos. I'm gonna call Dwayne. I'm gonna come. Dwayne! You're not coming for the marathon them. Donna, you are a flipping liar. That's why God spoiled like one big stinky ass ship. You hear me? That's why God spoiled you. That's why God brought you down to an open disgrace. That's why God flopped you. And you're out here trying so hard to get back to where you was. You will never get there again. Never. Donna, you will never reach again, I promise you. Are people like me who put you where you was. People like me. People like myself put you where you was. People like me who was blogging about you. Get out of here. Donna, get out of here. You're a damn fool. Thank you, Yvonne. You know I'm not lying. And you know what? I know that these planks who so far up her big freaking arsehole, they will say something else. But thank God people remember when she sent for me to come in and come join that marathon. You know that the last marathon she asked me to join was Ratty's Children. But that one, I already gave money to that one already, so I didn't feel the need to go on that marathon. I remember when she was building the house, she did a marathon at the house, right? And she was calling up people to come and join the marathon. And she asked me, I'm never going another one there. But I did send money to give to the old Rasta woman who was always on the freaking program, working to like help me and build the house. Donna is wicked. Donna is flipping wicked. I'm telling you, this one's evil. Donna, you are an evil bitch. You are. Donna, you are wicked. And just know, I see you for exactly who you are now. I see you, Donna. And nothing you say to me about me is ever going to change my mindset towards you. I know you for who you are now, a damn thief. And I'm not going to come out here continuously and be beating the same song. What we done talk about already. I'm at my talk already. And whoever want to believe. Whoever don't want to believe, that is up to them too. I'll never come out and force anyone to believe the things I'm saying. I will never do that to none of you. Never. That's not who I am. But just know, Donna, me, Dwayne Fletcher, I see you, and you know anything I say about you now is the truth. If you feel some type of way, what you must do is go to court. Bring us to court. Let us go in the court of laws and let's prove who's lying and who's not lying. Because I know for a fact you, Donna, you're a damn liar. You are a liar. And for that reason, I would always despise you because you tricked me. Donna, I don't hate you. In fact, I don't hate you. I hate your ways. I hate the things you've done to me. I hate the things you've done to us. And I know a lot of them, they don't see the wrongs you've done as wrongs. But I will never judge them. I will never blame them. I'm going to blame you. Donna, you know I've never wronged you. You know I've never wronged you. But I can't say the same about you. I will never see you as no philanthropist or no humanitarian. Bear in mind, you use a lot of our money. You stole a lot of our glory. You stole our glory to make yourself look better or bigger than what you are. While you're doing those things, you are outright scamming our money to make yourself look better. She was jealous when you send in money. I know, Yvonne, I'm gonna tell you I'm gonna tell you when her mindset changed towards me. Her mindset changed when she realized I took a glory from her and I got Saloni's fine paid, where Salon didn't have to go to prison for 9 months. I'm telling you, from that day she saw me differently. But I don't care. Donna, I don't care for you. I will never care for you. Anyone, and if you feel like I'm gonna come out here and seek validation from me, my girl, you're wasting your time. You're wasting your time. Just know I see you for who you are now. A flipping thief. A wicked, evil kleptomaniac who wronged a lot of us to make yourself look better than how you are. You know? But just know, Donna, only salvation lasts forever, okay? Only the good salvation too. Only the great salvation of God lasts forever. And yes, I know you wronged us. Yes, you know you wronged us too. Many other people know you wronged us too. Even Ashanti himself knows he wronged us. That's why you had to go and get him. You had to go and pull for him to your program. You see? Donna, I know you once said, if you've wronged anyone out here, you want God to open you up like a can of worms. And you don't realize God is and continue to open you up like the can of worms you once said to God to do towards you. You just don't see. With time, you will see. And let me tell you this. Maybe by then it'll be too late for you to seek redemption. Maybe by then it's going to be too late for you to seek redemption from the very same people you robbed them. You know what's so sad, Don? You know what's so sad? A lot of these people who you wronged, majority of them, probably some of them are dead now, and they'll never get the redemption that you owe them. They'll never hear the apology that you owe them. You know what I mean? Just know, Donna, I don't care if they speak or speak not. Just know I'm going to speak for myself, and I'll continue to speak for myself. I'll continue to hit out against you whenever I can, especially whenever I see the lies you do towards people to get their money. I'll always hit out against you, always. And nothing you or your people say to me, it will ever change my perception towards you. Donna, I'm going to tell you, you really have made an enemy out of me. You've made an enemy out of me. You have. Because of the lies you told me to get my money. You made an enemy out of me. She does not. She's a great pretender. Even don't you see? Bear in mind she came out as a Christian, right? And fast forward to some time later, she started dressing like a night walker. Don't you see? She could never keep up the facade for too long. She couldn't keep up the image for much longer. So she had to flip back to who she really was. I think it was from then God started to really open her up, like the worm he wants, like the worms she once asked God to do towards her. Donna, I pity you. I pity you. I as crippled as I am, I pity you. I hope you know this. And it's a shame to know a cripple pities someone who's fully mobile, like yourself. Imagine you gave up your job. You gave up that very thing you know was putting bread on your table to come into charity and scammers. I can never forgive you. Donna, for that I will never forgive you. I'm not forgiving you. No, you wronged me. You wronged us. And if they choose to like let things slide, I'm not letting it slide. That's I'm gonna report your backside. I reported your backside. I did that, and I will never take it back. I will never take it back. Whether anything comes out of it or come out of it not, I'm glad I reported you. I'm very glad. And if your people wanna continue to hate me, that's up to them. I don't care. I don't care. Anyways, people, brace yourselves, because we're gonna be coming out and addressing her properly tomorrow. We're gonna listen to the things she says. And Donna, I'm gonna play your video. I'm gonna play your video. I'm gonna address you accordingly. Okay? So be ready. Be ready. And let's not say you're gonna hear two hot words too. At this point, I don't give a shit. I have nothing to lose. Nothing but followers. I don't have a business. Nor am I out just seeking a business. I'm not seeking validation. So what else is there for me to lose? Nothing but followers. Whoever want to unfollow, do so at your own leisure. I don't care. I don't care. Okay? So when another unfollow, just know say, I don't give a shit. Who want to go. It's time I take my damn power from all of you people. And that's just it. Anyways, I'm going to go now. Oh, by the way, when I realize there's some changes on here, it will make sense to you tomorrow when it's daytime. She rough up everyone on her program. The plankers always had to tell her, take time. Donna is wicked, you hear me? Do you remember how she handled Erica and Ella the baby? Do you remember Erica, the light skin lady? She had a baby. She turned up at Donna's house, right? I felt so bad for Erica. I'm like, Jesus Christ. I thought I already sent money to the shop. I said, give that money to Erica, please. I think it was like 15 or something thousand. I said, give it to Erica, because like I don't like the way the whole situation. And you see, it was because of me why that marathon really started. Because of me why a marathon started for Erica. Donna, get out of here. Donna, go about your business. Yes, I have a new home now. I have a new home. And I'm very happy here. Bear in mind, there were some people who had my info, and I felt very much threatened. So I had to like do something about it. And my mom stepped in. And I have a new home now. And no one can put me out. Nobody can put me out of here. Nobody. You hear me? Nobody can put me out. Nobody.